shoot something, no matter how small, no matter how cheesy.
I touched that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you.
I'm back with another video. Maybe like 30 minutes. For some reason, every time when I get my nails done, I never know how I want to get them. Every time, I never know how I want to get my nails.
I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. All that's on my mind, yeah. Come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time.
Alright, y'all, so I'm at a Halloween party and I decided to go at the last minute, so this is what I had to dress up as. This is the only thing they had in my size pretty much that was cute, so this is what I decided to go with. I originally was going to be a clown, but they didn't have any more in my size and it was last minute, so
Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that back turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You go blow, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you know, and she like, I how you get that shit, you got her man on your hoe. Let me be sit with y'all too rich to drive a road.
Everything you tell me to do, all of talk about.
You take us straight in their house.
Girl, you know what? You is not to me. You is not me.
Oh, you
record.
You missed the whole party there.
She got it on record. Because I'm going to get her. Listen, she not Tunisia. She not mother on side. You wasted it.
hey y'all, it's your girl Alexis back with another video. So today is the day before Thanksgiving and y'all know everybody cooking right now, so that's what's going on. I'm gonna show y'all the food in a little bit and let's see what else I'm doing today. That's probably it. Yeah, but I'm back with another video. And I'm just vlog my Thanksgiving, show you how it goes. So stay tuned. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and probably do like a little get ready with me. Oh yeah, update y'all. I've been sick, so I haven't really been recording anything. That's just so I can get a Thanksgiving.
lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You get some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two to make big pillows in the back. Too many vibes and you feel these acres, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still owe me, how you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rap. It ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn fuck the single, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that?
Alright, y'all, so we finally made it to my grandma's house, and I ain't really record much because I'm ready to eat. I've been waiting to eat all day. But happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
What you here doing?
YouTube video.
YouTube video?
So y'all, I came in the bathroom to take some quick little pictures, and baby, my grandma don't play. She gets down with the decorations.
I don't think you'll ever change your ways, 'cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good.
Michael, let's go. Go work and get it done. Huh? Ooh, time to go. You heard that. Time to go. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog. I'll see y'all in my next video.